Hey guys, EAS here, and yay, it's another required weekly test, so let's just get right into it. Okay guys, so I'm like really bored because like nothing's happened yet. It's doing one of those super freaking late tests that's probably going to happen like 1 second before 12. So I don't know, I'm going to entertain myself. God dang bro, why is it so freaking windy?
West Virginia, fair. 49 degrees.
Okay, got it. Fine.
This is a test of the All Hazards NOAA weather radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built weather radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of these radios and the warning alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm system will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting the listening area.